The biggest collapse of all time is now underway. Michael Burry, housing market crash. We have not hit bottom yet. Michael Burry, who predicted the 2008 housing market crash, has been warning about a looming downturn for months. Michael Burry identified a market bubble of unprecedented size and scope last summer and warned investors buying into the hype and speculation to brace for a historic crash. The fund manager of The Big Short fame said in a tweet this week that he believes the cataclysmic collapse is now in full swing and added it to his list of correct predictions he's made. Crypto crash, check, he tweeted. Meme crash, check. SPAC crash, check. Inflation, check. 2000, check. 2008, check. 2022, check. Burry is not alone in thinking the stock market is due for a crash. Jeremy Grantham also thinks stocks are primed for a major devaluation, calling rising asset values a super bubble. Both Burry and Jeremy Grantham may be right, of course, but Grantham has been expecting stocks to crack since 2011 on the belief the Federal Reserve was creating the bubble. Over the ensuing decade, stocks nearly quadrupled in value, turning a $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 into one worth almost $38,000. That doesn't mean they are both wrong now, but it's important to keep in context from whom this message is coming. The Fed isn't close to declaring victory. There's still more work to do and further tightening to come. Households and businesses will face some pain in order to cool demand and lower inflation. And one huge indicator suggests a housing market crash is coming. Searches on Google for "sell my house" jumped 147% in July, the highest level in internet history for America. Home prices fell 0.77% from June to July, the first drop in about 3 years. Many economists never expected home values to dip into the red. Now, it seems the dip may end up being a plunge. The country currently has a 10.9-month supply of new homes for sale. This is nearly double the level recorded in December 2021 and increasingly close to the peak 12.2-month supply recorded amid the 2008 recession. Everyone agrees housing has largely run too hot for too long. Ivy Zelman believes U.S. home prices may fall nearly 9% over the next 2 years. This would make for one of the sharpest home price drops in U.S. history, although compared to the 27% drop during the Great Recession. Being able to tell when will the housing market crash depends on a variety of factors. After everything is said and done, you must ask yourself the following questions. Is real estate still selling in your neighborhood? Are prices fluctuating rapidly? Is there a lot of pressure to sell quickly? Is there a high number of foreclosures? Housing market buyers and investors need to be able to see through real estate agent hype and bluff. Answering these questions can help you understand how your local housing market is doing, but there is no precise formula for predicting whether or not a housing catastrophe is imminent. An experienced local realtor can assist put your questions in perspective if you are not sure about what you are seeing in your particular market.